Let us solve the important quadratic equation based question. Solve for x. X is equal to under root 20 plus under root 20 plus under root 20 continuous. First of all, we will squaring both sides. X square. We will square this whole. So that this bigger root will be removed and this will remain same. Now focus here, this whole value is equal to x. Now this whole value will also consider as a x because this is the same. So in place of this we will write x. Now I will factorize this quadratic equation. We split this middle term minus x, we written here this one minus 5x plus 4x. Now making pair, x common in this pair, x minus 5 in bracket. Here also x minus 5 in bracket, 4 is common in this pair. Now in this whole expression, x minus 5 is common. X plus 4. X minus 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. 0 product rule, 1 by 1 will put is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. This will give us x is equal to 5 and this will give us x is equal to minus 4. So we will reject this negative value, we will not this consider because it is negative. So this is our answer. So this x is equal to 5. This is the answer.